Hello, everyone. Welcome to English Speaking Zone. Today, we will learn English for a hospital visit. You will learn how to talk at the hospital, how to speak to the receptionist, how to talk to the nurse, how to speak with the doctor, useful hospital words and sentences. Relax. Listen carefully. Let's begin.
Anna, are you okay? I don't feel well. What is wrong? I have a headache and a fever. You should see a doctor. Yes, let's go inside the hospital. Okay, I will help you. Thank you. Good morning. How can I help you?
Good morning. I am not feeling well.
I'm sorry to hear that. Do you have an appointment?
No, I don't have an appointment.
That's okay. Is this your first visit? Yes, this is my first visit. May I see your ID, please? Yes, here you are. Thank you. Please fill out this form. What should I write on the form? Name, age, address, and phone number. Okay, I will fill it out. Sit here and rest.
Thank you. I feel tired. The doctor will see you soon. How long do we wait? Maybe 10 or 15 minutes. Okay. Do you want some water? Yes, please. Here you go. Thank you.
Anna Lewis? Yes, that's me. Please come with me. Okay, how are you feeling today? I don't feel well. What seems to be the problem? I have a headache and fever. All right, please sit here.
I will check your temperature. Okay. You have a mild fever. Oh. I will check your blood pressure. All right. Please relax. Okay. Your blood pressure is normal.
That's good.
Please wait here. The doctor will see you soon.
Thank you.
Hello, Anna.
Hello, doctor.
How are you feeling today?
I feel sick.
Can you tell me your problem?
I have a headache, fever, and body pain.
Since when?
Since yesterday.
Do you have a cough?
Yes, a little.
Do you have a sore throat?
Yes.
Are you allergic to any medicine?
No, I am not.
Are you taking any medicine now?
No,
Do you sleep well?
not really.
Do you drink enough water?
Maybe not.
Please open your mouth.
Ah,
Okay. Please take a deep breath.
okay.
Everything looks fine.
That's good.
You have a viral infection.
Is it serious?
No, it is not serious.
That's a relief.
You need rest and medicine. I will give you some medicine.
Okay.
Take this tablet twice a day.
Twice a day.
Drink warm water.
All right.
Get enough rest.
I will. When will I feel better?
In 2 or 3 days.
Can I go to work?
No, please rest at home.
Okay.
Do you have any other questions?
No, doctor.
Get well soon.
Thank you very much.
Hello?
Hello. I have a prescription.
Okay, please wait.
Sure.
Here is your medicine.
Thank you.
Take care.
How are you feeling now? A little better. Let's go home and rest. Yes, thank you for helping me. You're welcome.
Great job, everyone! You listened to a full hospital visit conversation. Now, let's slow down. Let's review some important words and phrases from today's story. These words will help you speak English at the hospital. Listen carefully. Repeat after me if you can. Let's begin our vocabulary tour. First word, hospital. Meaning: a hospital is a place where sick people go to see a doctor. Example sentences. Let's go to the hospital. She is at the hospital today. Second word, receptionist. Meaning: a receptionist is the person at the front desk. They help you when you arrive. Example sentences. The receptionist asks for my ID. I talk to the receptionist first. Third word, appointment. Meaning: an appointment is a planned meeting with a doctor. Example sentences. Do you have an appointment? I don't have an appointment today. Fourth word, nurse. Meaning: a nurse helps the doctor. A nurse checks your temperature and blood pressure. Example sentences. The nurse calls my name. The nurse checks my fever. Fifth word, fever. Meaning: a fever means your body is too warm. You feel hot and tired. Example sentences. I have a fever. The nurse checks my fever. Sixth word, doctor. Meaning: a doctor helps sick people feel better. Example sentences. I talk to the doctor. The doctor gives me medicine. Seventh word, medicine. Meaning: medicine helps you feel better when you are sick. Example sentences. The doctor gives me medicine. I take my medicine twice a day. Eighth word, prescription. Meaning: a prescription is a paper from the doctor. You use it to get medicine. Example sentences. I have a prescription. I give the prescription to the pharmacist. Ninth word, rest. Meaning: rest means stop working and relax your body. Example sentences. The doctor says, get some rest. I stay home and rest. You did a great job today. Now you know how to speak English at the hospital. Listen again. Practice speaking aloud. Confidence comes with practice. Please like this video. Subscribe to English Speaking Zone. See you in the next lesson. Thank you for learning English with us.